Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising sign. This is your tarot card reading. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, Virgo. Let us know where you're tuning in from as well. I love to know where my folks are tuning in from. It's very intriguing. You know, I got people tuning in from all around the world. Drop a comment. Feel free. It's a safe space, 100%. We don't allow that type of energy in our comment section anywhere on this channel. So that's that energy. Bring in dip. I don't even know why you watching. But hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing strong. Aquarius season check-in. Happy new moon as well. You get your reading on the new moon, which is very nice. This is the whole kind of all signs do though, because this is peak portal time. So all signs will get their readings out in time for this new moon energy portal, and to see what seeds we shall be planting around this time. Aquarius deals with 11th house network associations, familiar, unfamiliar, places and things of that nature. It can deal with social matters as well. The first card that we're seeing an underlining theme for you, Virgo, is the Nine of Pentacles. This is a great omen to start your reading with the Nine of Pentacles. Does this remind you of someone? This blue woman here with the blue dress. Is blue significant to you? Is there something about blue dress, blue lighting, just the color blue in some way, shape, or form significant to you at this moment? Let me know in the comments down below. You may be connected to butterflies or birds or some way, shape, or form, possibly a phoenix. You can see she has some sort of cardinal-like bird, like phoenix there on her arm there, and that may be some sort of spiritual omen or spiritual connection. That may be a confirmation to you as well. I'm also seeing the Ten of Pentacles right behind this card, so it lets me know that what you're building is going to last, and there is longevity here. Be mindful of certain delusions, and just make sure you are looking in the details. You don't need to overthink anything, but I see a big sense of stability and a lot of drive here for you. I see this something that you're very driven to do, you're very passionate about, and because of that, that's going to bring a lot of stability. Make sure you're looking in the fine print, the details, and you're not dealing with facades or illusions. That's the only thing I can say about that. Besides that, we can go ahead and lay this spread out now. First card I'm seeing is the Page of Swords. You may have a younger figure in your life here that may be providing some sort of guidance. It may be someone that came into your life in the near past or the distant past, and that person is helping you achieve your dreams right now. The dream is the obstacle, but you have clarity on how this obstacle is going to be, how it's going to be cleared out your path here. But looking at what I'm seeing within the spread, this is meant to happen now, and this is your judgment. If you can handle this situation, you're going to be blessed. I'm hearing windfalls from heaven. I'm hearing it's time to consider what you want to do in your life and where you want to be in your life, because there's a lot of seriousness happening for you right now, and Spirit's asking, where do you want to go and what do you want to do? Because there's a lot of things moving, whether it's in your favor, not in your favor, etc., but it's moving right now for you. It's growing right now. It's very prosperous, and there's longevity here. But the Judgment card here at the end, with being the outcome, it's you got to consider where you want to be. If this is the person you want to be, you got to step into that energy and go and move into it with confidence, embody it with confidence. Right? So these are very important things, guys, as we move forward. Before I get too deep into the spread, mystery confirmation card. It's going to tie the energies together at the end of this reading here for my Virgos, so just hang tight as well. You're also paired with Gemini, so if you have any Gemini energy in your chart or know a Gemini, don't hesitate to go over to the channel, listen to that reading, or send it over to a Gemini. Appreciate you guys. We're seeing 2 major arcanas here. So Gemini and Virgo, y'all got a few major arcanas in your reading. I think the most out of the signs this week so far that I've seen. So there's a lot of energy. I've seen Scorpio, Taurus. They got one or two here and there, but this is the most I've seen so far, starting the week. And we have a Tower card showing itself right now as the mystery card. We have a volunteer mystery card being the Tower. A volunteer mystery card being the Tower, guys. And that lets me know this is a preparation period, because whatever storm is coming right now is letting you know it's time to prep. You got to be ready. So this is preparation for where you want to go, because that's the judgment time. So are you really ready for where you want to go? That's that spirit's letting you know. Okay, preparation. There's so many confirmations coming out of here, like the 3 of Cups, abundance. I'm pulling a mystery card, guys. It's not even a spread, and they're shooting out as volunteers to let me know, hey, this is abundance. Go for it, go for it, go for it. Look at this. The Lovers, flow, harmony, the ability to make a decision. Like, look, they're flying out. Look, the Chariot right here, letting me know, Cancerian energy, moving towards your success. There's a lot of confirmations right here falling out. I'm only going to pull the 1 Tower as a volunteer mystery card, and I'm going to pull one off the top right here. You know, y'all can watch it with me. And this is going to be our mystery card. Tie the energies in together at the end of the reading. Boom. That's it. Comment down below what you think that's going to be. This is already insane, Virgo. This is already insane. At the bottom of the deck, the Star. What the fuck? Mind my language. What's really going on? The Star. Aquarius. New moon in Aquarius. New network, new associations. Expanding horizons. Ascended knowledge. What is going on? Pouring. The water bearer. What is going on? Consciousness. I'm hearing consciousness, the collective. Showing up for the collective. Oh my, okay. So this younger energy here with the Page of Swords came in from your past. This has been some sort, but it helped you with the information that you get. You see, the Swords is helping you with information and intellect. It's a younger figure though. So this younger figure came in to bring you the clarity that you needed on your path here with this Ace of Swords to develop the clarity, whether it was mindset clarity or clarity on your idea on how to actually implement it and move forward with it. I'm hearing blue. There's a lot of throat chakra energy, vocation. Let me know. I'm hearing royalty as well. Yeah, royal lineages. Let me see. As we move into number 3, guys, we have the 9 of Wands within your hidden environment. Hidden influences. There you go. Slipped me there. Not sure why that slipped me, but maybe that just might be significant. And it may be like that because just the fact that I forgot that you may be like tired. I know you may be tired right now. There may be like a little bit of fatigue, a little bit of draining. There's a lot that you kind of have to do right now, but you're very clear on what you want to do. You have a lot of mental clarity. You're just physically a little bit drained. That's okay. Try to replenish the body with high nutrient substances and things of that nature. You have some replenishing, meals, teas, drinks, etc., electrolytes, things like that. Help nourish, calm the mind, calm the nervous system here, Virgo. In position 4, obstacles to overcome, I do see the moon. This, I think, so you're realizing that your dream is becoming reality, and it's actually, like, not reality to you. Like, it's tripping you out. Like, oh, be fucked. It's actually happening. It's actually, like, living my dream, traveling for this. I'm doing this. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking the action. This person's here to help me. I have no reason not to hold myself back. And you're like, dude, do I really want this dream? Does this bring me fulfillment? And I think you're going through a learning process right now, and a new form of understanding is developing. This new moon, yeah. New form of understanding towards your dreams. 100%. In position 4, 4 is earth energy, practicality, and understanding. Moon, emotional, mother, dreams, etc. How to be practical with your dreams, how to make it, a little bit more tangible. I'm hearing your dreams are becoming more tangible as well. You're seeing your reality. You're seeing your dreams play out within your reality. 7 of Wands within others' perspectives. Whatever you're doing, okay. Seven of Wands. Don't fight. There's nothing you have to fight here. This is a harmonious thing. If there's conflict with like people that you're working with, try to discuss it out, like, and see where it goes. Don't fight with it and try to da. Like, no, that's not gonna work, because you're just gonna stand alone. This is happening because there's like connection, dreams, putting in the work where the work is supposed to be put in, and you're doing your part. So there's no need to like force any other parts to be done, or anyone else's part, step over their feet, etc. There's no reason to keep your guard up. Don't like, there's no ego that needs to be here. Others may seem like you have some sort of guard up, or like some sort of ego, you know what I'm saying? Like you're protecting something. I'm hearing not wanting to compromise in what you want to do, in how you take action or your creativity here. Wands is a creative card as well. Because the best path for you to walk down is the King of Cups. You understand the position of authority, but you got to understand how you feel about this thing. You got to understand that you are worthy. You are in a position to feel fulfillment. And once you realize that, you can actually step into that judgment energy. I think you've been like kind of downplaying yourself, because you have the talent, you have the gifts, you have the authority, you have the rapport, and your ability to receive is there. So you can receive, you know what I'm saying, a lot of new opportunities with the cups there. But the 7 is like sometimes over masculine energy, over masculated. You know, you step into a room and it's like you're always trying to protect something. It's fear. I'm hearing root chakra energy. You're always worried about, you know, the worst. Don't think about the worst outcome all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'm hearing you step into a room and it's like you expect the worst. You know? But I'm hearing go into situations with a better mindset. Doesn't mean you have to go into experiences with expectations, you know, holding certain expectations. It just means go into situations a little bit lighter, like a little bit lighter emotionally. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to overthink everything. You don't have to be so emotional, so nervous about certain things, or so caught up about certain things. You know, you can go into it a little bit lighter, to where that allows you to observe a little bit. You're not so heavy on your mind. That'll free up mental space. I like it, guys. I think I'm going to get into this mystery card. What do you guys think? Seeing a lot of swords. Page of Swords, Ace of Swords, 9 of Wands. The Moon energy. 7 of Wands, King of Cups, and Judgment. King is fire. Wands is fire. Wands is fire. Air. Fire, air, air. We still have Judgment. And we still have the Moon with water. We got a lot of elements here. We got the Tower. It's like all elements here as well. There's a lot of mixture of elements. I think we're incorporating new, like, you know, this is maneuvering and transitioning through our own balance, our own life balances. In terms of the mystery card, we got Queen of Wands. I like it. Queen of Wands. You can see you'd be big on animals too. Like I said, it could be something about animals with this collective. Or my Virgo could be like very big. You guys can be very big, like very connected to your animal spirits or like animal omens and stuff like that in your life. I'm not sure what that is about it, but you'll know more than me for sure if that's something that resonates for you. But the Queen of Wands, you're in a position of authority now, to where you can receive information and you know how to act and what to act on. It's like your network has grown, and your talents and abilities, people know you for certain talents and abilities with this star energy at the bottom of the deck. Aquarius, your network is nice. Your network is good. You know what I'm saying? So now when your network hits you up and says, hey, let's get some of this done. You're like, all right, cool, that's easy, and you can take action, right? And that's what the judgment is. It's understanding where you want to be and where you want to go, and taking action to get there. That's the outcome here with this judgment card. You gotta get to the judgment card by understanding the position of authority and what fulfills you, what actually brings you fulfillment, what actually fosters growth in your life, what motivates you to continue taking action. Right? So keep that in mind. Guys, Virgo, I like this for you. I hope this brought you some clarity. As always, you know I'm watching from afar. I'm always rooting for you. You had a good reading. And until next time, Virgo Gemini, Namo, Himalaya. You guys have a great day. And an even better night. Happy new moon.